कोविड-19 के बाद जो टेक्नोलॉजिकल डिसरप्शन आया है, we are all aware of that. Most of the companies have shifted towards online interviews to hire candidates. पैंडेमिक से पहले भी होते थे ऑनलाइन इंटरव्यूज़, बट इतने लार्ज स्केल पे ये प्रोसेसेस नहीं होते थे. आई फील कि वीडियो इंटरव्यूज़ ने काफ़ी एंग्जाइटी कम कर दी है, क्योंकि यू आर स्पेयर्ड फ्रॉम फिजिकली बीइंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ द इंटरव्यूअर, बीइंग नोटिस्ड फ्रॉम हेड टिल टो. But it has made things complicated in some other ways too. क्या कहते हो? आपकी non-verbal communication can be difficult to read or even easily misinterpreted in an online interview. But with little preparation and some tips, you can nail it. So in this video, I would share 9 tips that would help in your next online interview. Also, I would share my bonus tip in the end. So make sure you watch this till the end. So let's begin. टिप नंबर 1 बहुत ही सीक्वेंशियल ये रखा है. सो टिप नंबर 1 इज टू ड्रेस अप शार्पली. ये इंटरव्यू ऑनलाइन है तो उसका मतलब ये नहीं कि इसको लाइटली लिया जाए. टेक इट एज अ सीरियस एज एन इन पर्सन इंटरव्यू. रीड अबाउट द कंपनी, रीड अबाउट द जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन, प्रिपेयर योर आंसर्स वेल. ऑल्सो ड्रेस अप शार्पली. हम लोग अक्सर ऐसा करते हैं कि ऊपर तो सूट पहन लिया एंड नीचे बॉक्सर्स पहन लेते हैं. That won't help you. There might be a possibility that the interviewer might ask you to stand up. Wear formal shoes too. Don't sit in regular chappals. It won't hurt you to dress up smartly for 1 hour. Try करके देखना एक बार. Especially for females, the top that might look great in an in-person interview might not look good in a camera where the entire top is not visible. So test it before the interview. टिप नंबर 2, टेस्ट द टेक्नोलॉजी. हम टेक्नोलॉजी को ग्रांटेड लेने लग गए हैं. वी नेवर नो कि कब क्या दिक्कत आ जाए. हैव अ डेमो कॉल विद अ फ्रेंड. गेट योर ऑडियो एंड वीडियो टेस्टेड. मेक श्योर यू कैन हियर एंड बी हर्ड एंड सी एंड बी सीन. हम वाईफाई पे ट्रस्ट कर जाते हैं, बट हमें नहीं पता कि कब कुछ टेक्निकल फॉल्ट हो जाए. कीप अ बैकअप हॉटस्पॉट रेडी. Make sure that your Wi-Fi connection is connected to some power source जो electricity जाने पे disconnect ना हो जाए. These small things would save you from embarrassment. Keep a hotspot ready as a backup. Tip number 3, find a suitable location. I can understand that आप घर पे हो, पर find a place where there is no distraction. पीछे सिर्फ एक blank wall हो and wall color neutral हो. It should not have any curtains in the background and no background noise. मैंने बहुत लोगों को देखा है कि इंटरव्यू में उनका फ़ैन ऑन होता है एंड इट क्रिएट्स अ लॉट ऑफ नॉइज़. या तो एसी चला लो, अगर नहीं तो फिर फ़ैन ऑफ कर दो फॉर द ड्यूरेशन ऑफ योर इंटरव्यू. योर क्लोथ्स कलर शुड नॉट बी सिमिलर टू योर वॉल कलर. वेयर कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग कलर्स, इट वुड बी बेटर. अब मुझे ब्लैक पसंद है, इसलिए यहाँ भी ब्लैक है, पीछे भी ब्लैक है. सो इग्नोर दिस, ओके. There should be enough light on your face. देख ही रहे होंगे लाइट जल रही है मेरे ऊपर यहाँ पे. So don't sit in a dull room. अगर लाइट नहीं है तो घर में कोई टेबल लैम्प होगा, उसको लैपटॉप के पीछे रख देना. It would be helpful. वरना एक रिंग लाइट ऑर्डर करके देख लो, बहुत काम आएगी. Please lock the room before the interview. As an interviewer, they do not want to see your kids, pets, spouse roaming in the background. It looks really unprofessional. See, the interviewer can understand, but it is more about being professional at that time. Tip number 4, adjust the camera properly. Don't sit too close or too far from the screen. आपके shoulders and chest should not cut and आपके head के ऊपर कुछ space होना चाहिए. कुछ लोग इतना close बैठते हैं कि the interviewer can easily see their nose hairs. Don't do that. Take this tip very seriously. Tip number 5, maintain an eye contact. It is very easy to maintain eye contact in a virtual interview. Just look into the camera hole. That's it. It would immediately build the connection. Do not look at your own face on the screen. That would disconnect you from the interviewer. Tip number 6, prepare a cheat sheet. ऑनलाइन इंटरव्यूअर का फ़ायदा ये है कि इंटरव्यूअर को आपके सामने क्या है ये नहीं पता चल पाएगा, पर आपकी आई मूवमेंट्स बहुत कुछ बता देती हैं. I've seen people write down all the material in front of them to refer to it. You should not sound like you are reading it. Don't do that. एक चीट शीट पे पॉइंटर्स लिख सकते हो पर रेफर देम वेरी लेस. The moment you would look at them, आपका eye contact camera से हट जाएगा and would create a disconnect. Also, the interviewer can sense that you are reading. So avoid it. Tip number 7, have a digital handshake. Yes, in a virtual setting, you cannot have a handshake, but a confident look in the camera and a confident voice saying hello is what you need to do. After this, just nod and smile. It would create an instant connection with the interviewer. Tip number 8, have a good posture. Don't slouch, don't sit aggressively. Just bend a little bit forward, lean towards them. It would show that you are open and interested. Tip number 9, use facial expressions. In-person interview mein, body language also tells a lot apart from facial expressions and words. However, in an online interview, your entire body language is not visible and all the attention goes on to your facial expressions. Don't look like a robot and make sure you nod regularly and smile. Even saying yes or no is not required. It can break the flow of the conversation. It is better to keep yourself muted when the other person is speaking. So nodding and smiling is one of the best things which you can do in an online interview. एक और बात का ध्यान रखना, इंटरनेट की वजह से वीडियो कॉल्स में लैग भी होता है. So avoid interrupting and speaking anytime. It can create a negative impression. Have the patience to wait for them to complete. And now it's time for my bonus tip. Online interview को conversation की तरह लेना and not a question and answer round. बहुत लोग आंसर देने के बाद चुप हो जाते हैं. Don't make it like that. Feel free to comment on their responses, see if you want to ask any questions, and ask them if you find it appropriate as per the situation. See, the interviewer wants to hire people जिनके साथ वो friendly हो सके and not a person जो सिर्फ transactional respond करे. So make it a little like a conversation. I hope you loved all the tips. Drop in a wow in the comment section. I have made another video for an in-person interview. Feel free to check that out too. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, do it right now. Till then, don't forget to stay awesome and stay productive.